how to create discount code on Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, we want to scroll down until we see marketing and SEO. Hover over this option and then choose the second to last option, which is coupons right here. This will take us to the coupons page where we can create a new coupon by pressing on this blue button. And we can choose whether we want to discount a specific amount of money, whether we want to discount a percentage, whether we want to give free shipping, sale price, or buy X, get Y free. So for example, let's do discount percentage, and the coupon code, here's where you create your coupon code, aka what people will need to input onto their Wix order. So for example, I'm gonna do sale 15. And here's where we type out the discount percentage here. So for example, I'm going to do 15%. And we can apply this to all products, to a specific product, to a specific category which we have created on Wix, or to a minimum order subtotal. So I'm going to do this for all products. And now we can include subscriptions here if we want to. We can set an expiration date for this coupon code, or if we want to make it indefinite, we will just leave this like so, don't set an end date. And basically we can also limit the total number of users for this coupon, for example 5 total, and how many can people use for their orders here. We can also limit it to 1 use per customer. So after we have filled out this information, we'll simply click on create coupon, and that's how we create a discount code onto our Wix website. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.